Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. We're over here at Expo West up here in Flagstaff, Arizona, and we are here with TRD John's 4Runner here. So I want to walk around this thing and share a little bit with you. John had this configured in a different configuration prior to coming to our shop. We had some other parts from other companies on it. Now we put some of our parts on it, kind of just doing a little bit, allow him to do a comparison on what he thinks on this build out, on what his thoughts are on our Westcott Designs lift kit, front and rear on this, a set of the TRD upper control arms on this, the billet upper arms, a Westcott Designs roof rack with the KC Highlights light bar. This is their new light setup that KC offers. We've got our new brackets in here and how they tie in the back here. You can just see how sturdy they are. And we talk about all the time about how tight our roof rack fits to the roof and the design here. We've got our new ditch light brackets here that are super low profile on this. Got our Westcott Designs rock sliders that they've been stepped on a lot by people here checking it out. You can see our welds, our kick out, back into our molly panel here that ties into the window. And then we did some extra little special steps. We put some coloring into the back of this. Just tie this in with the blue and the yellow and the KC and all that stuff. And we step around to the back of the vehicle. We've got our Westcott Designs ladder. And we typically do this bottle opener in here, and we usually leave it stainless steel. We decided to do it in a satin finish black, and that really just to tie it all in and make it clean and not really stand out, just a really subtle look on that. So this 4Runner with this satin finish with all the stuff that we've done on it looks really, really good. John's running an RRW wheel. I can't tell you exactly what the offset is on this wheel, but it is a 17 by 8.5, and he's running a 285/70/17 with his partners at Nitto. He likes just a nicer riding tire, and this tire gives him that ride. On top of that ride that he's got with this truck, this whole setup works really, really well, especially on-road or off-road, and it leaves a lot of room in the fender well. So he's able to get up in there and articulate this thing and not have any worries about rubbing the tire. John even has running the safety mount here in the back, and he hasn't done any adjustments up here in the front of the fender liner. So everything works as it should, and it was designed, and John doesn't have to make any modifications in the fenders with this setup that he's running. So we hope you guys enjoyed this. If there's anything else you'd like to know about this vehicle or that we didn't talk about, please go ahead and comment below. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. We'd love to hear from you. Love you to be a part of some of these really cool builds that we do at our shop.